everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. We are finishing up with the bone broth, finally. Okay, I have my jars washed and cleaned. I have my canners heating up, and I have my broth simmering. It's not at a boil, so I'm not going to have everything rolling hot. Folks, how do you like my ladle? I'm not going to sit and spend 10 minutes ladling into here whenever I can get it done quicker. Okay. But anyway, I will link the videos to the bone broth in the description box. I made bone broth two ways. I used the Instant Pot, and I made it fast. And I also used the turkey roasters like this right here, and I done it low and slow. And let me tell you, there is a huge difference in the way that this looks. This really dark, rich, almost walnut color is from the turkey roasters. And let me get some of this from this pot right here. Folks, this is from the Instant Pot. And it is more of a honey color. Actually, I shouldn't have put that other one in there. I will grab it back out. It's not hot yet. Okay. I just want you to see the difference in this. And I'll give you a quick recap on how I did the broth. Okay, I'm putting my lids on finger tight. Okay, you see the color of this one, and you see the color of this one, side by side. I mean, that to me is a huge difference. Let me give you a quick recap. In the turkey roaster, I roasted the bones, and I cooked the broth, the bone broth, for averaging around 30 hours. One of them went like 48 hours. And then in the Instant Pot, it goes for 4 hours. So it's a huge difference in time. I would much rather do a 4-hour broth than a day and a half to 2 day, but whenever you do them in the turkey roasters, you get 3 or 4 times as much. So in all honesty, are you really saving any time? I don't think so. I really don't. And then to have the difference in the color and the richness, I think I prefer this. Flavor-wise, there's not a lot of difference, you know. But look at that. But I'm just going to keep going until I get my quarts in the canner. And even though this is a bone broth made from beef bones, folks, it does not have any meat whatsoever in it, so I do not have to process it for the time that you would process meat for. Okay, my quarts only have to process for 25 minutes. Okay, I did look this up in the Ball cookbook, so if you have any questions about it, that is where I got the time to cook this by. So please no bashing, because I'm not doing 90 minutes. 25 minutes for quarts for broth. And if I'm doing pints, it's only 20. But let me get the rest of these in there, and we'll get them processed. And I'll show you what they look like when they come out. Okay, folks, to be honest with you, after the timer went off on my broth last night, I turned it off and didn't take it out of canners. I went to bed. So this morning, I'm taking my jigglers off and my lids, and we'll see what it looks like. And folks, those canners are still warm. That looks absolutely amazing. I'll put it right there. Side by side. Okay. This one is the one that was made in the Instant Pot for 4 hours. This one is the one that went for like 2.5 days, well, maybe a day and a half or a little over. That is a huge difference in the color. The flavor is a little richer in that one, but I'm really surprised at the difference in the stock. I'm real glad that I did it both ways. That way I know. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.